boogie. Here is middle C. Your left hand goes on the C below with the thumb, and the left hand pattern goes C, B flat, A flat, G, and it repeats that. Each one is staccato with the rest. So you do that twice, then you move that same pattern up to F. Twice, then back to C. And again. Then the very last line you have a G, then an F, then low G, B flat, sneak up. Okay, right hand, we've got an E flat and a D, and you play them together like a little pinch. You do this twice. 1, 2, 3, 5, 1. And you can see the 3 is on the E flat. I'm going to play our hands together now. Up to F. Right hand is G and A flat. Same tune as the beginning. Back to C. Then we've got our G in the left, G triad twice in the right, F, F triad. Then this is the same pattern, G, G, B flat, sneak up. Okay, I'm going to play all of that without talking, a little bit faster.